students, welcome back to your English class. Today you would come to know about past tense. In previous class you had learnt present tense. In this class you would learn past tense. Past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Let's start.
The first one is simple past tense. Students, simple past tense we can use an action that happens now, an hour ago, a day ago, that is past tense. Simple past, an action that happened in the past to describe a habitual or repeated action in the past, an action which continued for some time in the past. Look at the example. He came yesterday. Yesterday the time is given. We studied 8 hours every day. It's a habitual or repeated action. An action which continued for some time in the past. We studied chemistry for 2 years. Look at the translation scheme of simple past tense. Student, always keep in mind, in simple past tense, we would use verb second form. Verb second form. In affirmative sentences, the translation scheme is subject plus verb second form plus object. Negative sentences, subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. Interrogative sentences, did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Students, in negative and interrogative sentences, verb first form would be used because did is here. यहाँ पर did लगा हुआ है. Affirmative, look at the examples. Affirmative, I worked. मैंने काम किया. इसका negative, I did not work. Affirmative, we worked. Negative of it, we did not work. Affirmative, you worked. And negative of it, you did not work. Look at the interrogative example of it. Did I work? क्या मैंने काम किया? Did you work? क्या तुमने काम किया? Did he work? Second is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used an action in progress at some moment in the past to show the continuity of two or more action at the same time in the past, to describe a past action which is often repeated, to describe a continuing action in the past as the other related action. Look at the example. They were playing at 5 o'clock. Students, in continuous tense, verb first form ing would be used. They were playing at 5 o'clock, an action, progress. She was dancing while Rakesh was singing. Two or more action at the same time. Ram was always speaking here and there. Often repeated action. To describe a continuing action in the past, as he was telling us a joke. He stole it. Past continuous tense translation scheme. Structure. In affirmative sentence, subject plus was verb plus verb first form plus ing. Students, in continuous tense, verb first form ing will be used. Was for singular subject, verb for plural subject. Negative sentence structure, subject plus was verb plus not plus first form plus ing. Interrogative sentence, was verb in starting plus subject plus first form plus ing. Look at the example. I was working. Negative, I was not working. Affirmative, we were working. हम काम कर रहे थे. Negative, we were not working. हम काम नहीं कर रहे थे. Look at the interrogative example of them. Was I working? क्या मैं काम कर रहा था? वर, वी, यू, दे. Pronoun working. Student, we, you, they, plural subject, so were is used with them. Were, we, you, they working, interrogative mark. Was Suman working, interrogative sentences. Past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, verb third form will be used. This tense is used to describe an action completed before a definite point in the past. To describe a completed action in the past before another action in the past. To denote past desire which remain unfulfilled in the conditional clauses. To describe something which did not really happen. Student, look at the example. At 2 o'clock, he had sold all his eatables. An action completed before a definite point in the past. To describe an action in the past before another action in the past. The bell had rung when we entered in the school. Student, in these type of sentence, there are two action will happen. First completed action, past perfect tense. Second completed action, simple past tense. First completed action, past perfect tense. Second completed action, simple past tense. The bell had rung when we entered the school. First complete, the bell rung. Second, we entered the school. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. What happened first? The patient had died. So past perfect tense. Before the doctor arrived. Doctor came, doctor arrived. So simple past tense. Past perfect tense sentence structure. In affirmative sentences, subject plus had plus verb third form. Negative sentences, subject plus had, not plus verb third form. Interrogative sentences, had plus subject plus verb third form. Look at the examples. I had worked. Negative, I had not worked. Affirmative, we had worked. Negative, we had not worked. Affirmative, you had worked. Negative, you had not worked. तुमने काम नहीं किया. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, हैड आई वर्कड, हैड यू वर्कड, हैड ही वर्कड. So these are the example of the past perfect tense. Thank you.